Okay, so today we have another rare model, which is DW-6900NB-7. Okay, this old model is quite stop production like 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, so what we have is like complete all new condition. Okay, this one is because our supplier have keep the stock left. Okay, so you can see all is clean and white. Okay, white color, keeper also white. Okay, is the resin band for the outside, it will be glossy, but inner part will be matte. Okay, it's considered matte, right? Okay, so the faceplate will be look like this. Okay, silver metallic faceplate, and the inner part will be the black negative display, which the light still using the old module 3230, which now already all changed for DW6900, already changed all the module to 3529 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so whoever is you are looking for this rare and crazy color series, please do not hesitate to hit up our eBay. So or if you're looking for like prefer more cheaper price, you can just contact us well the link in our description. Okay, thank you guys, see you in next video.